Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get unobtainable blocks in Minecraft. Many unique blocks, like barrier blocks or command blocks, cannot be crafted or mined in survival mode. The easiest way to acquire a large selection of these special items is by playing in creative mode. Simply open your inventory, navigate through the tabs, and drag the desired blocks directly into your hotbar or inventory slots. This method is straightforward and requires no complex commands. Beyond creative mode, the /give command is incredibly useful for obtaining blocks that aren't in the creative inventory by default or for quickly getting many at once. For example, to get a barrier block, type /give at /Minecraft barrier into the chat. To acquire a command block, which is essential for automation, use /give at /Minecraft command block. Remember to enable cheats in your world settings to use these powerful commands effectively. For placing blocks directly into the world at precise locations, the /setBlock command is your best friend. This command allows you to specify the exact coordinates and the block type. For instance, to place a bedrock block directly beneath your feet, you would type /setBlock ~1 Minecraft bedrock. This is particularly useful for constructing structures with blocks like end portal frames or even light blocks, which are invisible but emit light. For more advanced manipulation, consider the debug stick, obtained via /give at /Minecraft debug stick. This tool lets you cycle through block states, changing properties like orientation or whether a fence is connected. Additionally, structure blocks, acquired with /give at /Minecraft structure block, allow you to save and load entire sections of your world, including any unobtainable blocks within them, making complex builds much easier to manage and replicate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.